Let's get some practice translating noon of emphasis. Ayat that have noon of emphasis in them. So number 1, وَلَئِن مَسَّتْهُمْ نَفْحَةٌ مِّنْ عَذَابِ رَبِّكَ لَيَقُولُنَّ يَا وَيْلَنَا إِنَّا كُنَّا ظَالِمِينَ. Okay, وَلَئِن, so this is la of emphasis plus in the conditional word. Right, in the conditional word, so it's a conditional sentence.
Okay, so masset is past active action.
Okay.
Because of the et ending.
Right.
And then hum is pronoun attached in action, so it's receiver.
Receiver.
And then nafhatun is not related to min, because min is TLDR. Min adabi, TLDR, and it's noun. Adabi rabbi is general, but then ka is specific, so this is possessive chain.
Good.
And then nafhatun, then layaqulunna is new sentence because it's an action, so this is the condition. And so
not condition, the
consequence. Sorry. Nafhatun is the doer because of the on label.
Good.
Sort that. And then our new sentence, layaqulunna is present active.
Okay.
And then the doer, so the u tells us it used to be una.
Very good.
So ya and una is they.
Good.
And then ya waylana, so this starts our quote after qala.
Right.
Ya waylana is calling.
Ya waylana is a set phrase. We don't need to label it.
Oh,
it means woe to us.
Okay. So inna kunna zalimin. This is an action sentence. Kunna is past active.
Okay.
Inna is sentence starter and it's noun, coming in an action sentence, so it is a doer.
Doer.
And then zalimina, ina label makes it receiver.
Receiver. Let's translate wala in.
Certainly if.
Good. The la we'll translate as certainly, and then in is if.
And then because mesat is, even though it's past, because of in, we're going to translate it as present.
Good.
Right? So,
but we're starting with the doer because it's an action sentence.
Yeah.
So even if
a breath.
Good. A breath.
From the punishment of their Lord touches. Your Lord.
Right. Punishment of your Lord
touches them.
Right. Touches, like you said.
Present
because of in touches whom, them.
Then comma.
Right.
Start of a consequence.
Good.
They will definitely say.
Good. So they will, because of
the
noon of emphasis, always makes it future, and then definitely say.
Woe to us.
Good. That's the start of the quote. Woe to us.
We were certainly we were wrongdoers.
Right. Inna, certainly. And then we were wrongdoers. Good. Number 2. لَيَنْصُرَنَّهُ اللَّهُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَعَفُوٌّ غَفُورٌ.
Short one. لَيَنْصُرَنَّ is the action. It is present, active.
Okay.
And then who is a pronoun attached to the action, so it is receiver.
Okay. What else can you tell me
about لَيَنْصُرَنَّ?
Yeah.
So it has a fatha before the noon of emphasis, so that tells us it used to be u. Ya and u is he, it.
He, it. Right.
And then the word Allah is doer because it has the doer label.
Good. And
then new sentence.
New sentence.
And this is a is sentence. Inna Allah is sentence starter and it's noun. And then the word Allah and la'afuun are not related because specific in general, so that's where is goes.
Okay.
And then that la is la of emphasis.
Good. The short one. Let's translate it.
Allah will definitely.
Good. Starting with our doer. Allah will definitely
aid or help him. Certainly Allah is afuun, pardoning, ghafoor, and forgiving.
Yeah, and then we'll put our definitely there in parentheses.
Oh, right, that of emphasis.
So forgiving, pardoning, and forgive. Okay. Next one. Number 3. والذين هاجروا في سبيل الله ثم قتلوا أو ماتوا ليرزقنهم الله رزقا حسنا وإن الله لهو خير الرازقين. That's a long one.
Yeah. So الذين we said we don't label, right?
Yeah, we don't have to label it.
Okay, هاجروا is past active, they.
Okay.
في سبيلي is TLDR and it's noun.
Good.
سبيلي is general, the word Allah is specific.
Which
so
makes
it's possessive.
Okay.
Thumma is a connector word, and it's connecting the actions, because qutilu is an action.
Right.
Qutilu is passive,
Right.
and they.
Mm-hmm.
And then aw means or, so it's connector.
Okay.
Matu is past active, they.
Okay.
And then la yarzuqannahum Allah. So this is a new sentence.
Right.
It's an action.
So new action makes new sentence.
Yarzuqanna is the action. It is present, active. And then because there's a fatha on the noon before the noon of emphasis,
Right.
it means that it used to be a u. So ya and u is he, it.
He, it.
And then hum is pronoun attached to an action, so that's receiver.
Okay.
And then the word Allah is not related to rizqan because it's specific in general.
Right.
And then rizqan hasanan are general, and noun and description, so that's descriptive.
So descriptive, and then how are we going to sort those?
The word Allah is doer because of the doer label.
Okay.
And then rizqan hasanan is receiver because receiver label.
Receiver label. And then our next sentence, Inna Allah lahu khayrul raziqeen.
Okay, so new sentence. Inna Allah is sentence. Oh, well, this isn't a sentence.
It's a sentence.
Inna Allah is sentence starter and it's noun.
Right.
And then, lahua is emphasizer la.
Emphasizer la
And it's and then we have an independent pronoun coming in the middle of an is sentence.
which makes it an emphasizer.
Emphasizer pronoun. So that's where we put our is after the emphasizer pronoun.
Right. And then what do we do with khayrul raziqeen?
General specific, so that's possessive.
Good, that's possessive. Let's translate walladina.
And those who
And those who hajaru.
hajara migrated.
Yeah.
In the path or for the sake of Allah.
Right. And literally in the path of Allah, which means for the sake of Allah.
It's like when people want you to do a
Fi
favor.
sabilillah,
Yeah.
For the sake of Allah.
Thumma, then
Qutilu.
they are killed, or they were killed.
Yeah, so those who migrate for the sake of Allah then were killed.
Then were killed.
Let's talk about the same people.
Or
matu.
or they died.
Right, or they died. La yarzuqannahum Allah.
Allah will definitely, certainly,
Uh-huh.
razaqa provide
Yeah.
for them,
Good.
or provide them with a good provision.
Right, provide them with a good provision. Rizqan hasana.
And then full stop. Certainly Allah. This is a lot of emphasis.
It is.
Certainly Allah is definitely the best of providers.
Right, it's definitely the best of providers. Good. Number 4. وَلَقَدْ فَتَنَّ الَّذِينَ مِنْ قَبْلِهِمْ فَلَيَعْلَمَنَّ اللَّهُ الَّذِينَ صَدَقُوا وَلَيَعْلَمَنَّ الْكَاذِبِينَ.
وَلَقَدْ, okay, we don't label. فَتَنَّ is past active. And then this is...
What's the embedded doer there?
It's not a noon of emphasis because there's no eitan at the beginning and it only comes on present tense, right?
Yeah, plus the noon of emphasis is just a noon without an alif.
So this is both of them.
No, so this is originally fatan. Nah. So remember, sukun tells us two of the same letters. Or shadda, sorry. So fatan. Nah.
Oh, okay.
That's
so it's we.
Nah. So yeah, technically we have a sukun and na there.
All right.
So that's a we.
Okay. So past active we,
Mm-hmm.
and then we skip alladhina.
Right, we don't have to label that.
Min qabli is TLDR and TLDR. And then qablihim is TLDR and it's noun.
Tell the answer now.
And then new sentence.
Good.
فَلَا يَعْلَمَنَّ. This is a present active. And then it has a noon of emphasis. And if we look at the noon, the letter before the noon, it has a fatha.
Mm-hmm.
And that means it used to be u. So yeah, and u is he or it.
He or it.
And then the word Allah is the doer because it has the doer label.
Doer label.
And then we skip alladhina.
Uh-huh.
صدقوا past active.
Good.
They. وَلَا يَعْلَمَنَّ is present active, and the ya plus so there's a fatha before the noon of emphasis, so that tells us it used to be u.
Right.
Ya and u is he it.
He it.
Al-kadhibina is receiver because of the ina label.
Right. Receiver because of the ina label. Let's translate. وَلَقَدْ فَتَنَّا.
We certainly tried.
Yeah.
Like, What does that mean?
It means like to put someone through a trial.
Oh, that kind of try.
Yeah.
Okay. We certainly tried those who
الذين, those who.
were before them.
Yeah. Or we could just say those before them.
Okay. And then full stop. So, and then Allah will definitely know.
Because starting with our doer, and then will, because of the emphasis, definitely know.
Those who.
Again, الذين, those who.
صدقوا, those who were truthful.
Right. Were truthful.
This is from like صادق is the same thing.
Right.
But
same,
action.
it's the same root.
So those who are truthful, and He will definitely know.
Right. Talking about Allah still, He will definitely know.
The liars.
Good. الكاذبين, the liars. Okay. Number 5. وَلَئِنْ سَأَلْتَهُمْ مَنْ خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ وَسَخَّرَ الشَّمْسَ وَالْقَمَرَ لَيَقُولُنَّ اللَّهُ فَأَنَّى يُؤْفَكُونَ.
Okay, لَإِن is emphasizer la plus in conditional.
Get the conditional in.
So it's a conditional sentence.
Good.
Sa'alta is past active you.
Good.
Hum is a pronoun attached to an action, so it's receiver. And then man is a question word, right?
Yeah.
And so question words start new sentences?
They do.
Is this the consequence?
No.
Oh, why not?
So you're not gonna have a question word followed by nothing.
What do you mean? Sa'ala, just point out Sa'ala, you're asking.
Oh, yeah. Do you want to start by asking again?
So man is a question word, right?
Yep.
So, does that mean it's the start of... So we said question words always start new sentences.
Yeah.
So is this the start of the consequence then?
So sa'ala means to ask, right?
Right.
And then men is a question word.
Oh, so it's asking who?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the question that you're asking.
Okay,
It's
okay.
not the consequence.
Alright, so khalaqa is past.
Okay.
As-samawati wal-arda are connected because of the waw, and they're both receivers.
Right, because of ati and
the fatha.
and Good.
And wasakhara is another past active action.
Yeah, and what's the wa doing?
It's connecting sakhara and khalaqa, which
Right,
are both
the
past.
two actions.
Ash-shamsa wal-qamara are connected because of the waw, and they're also both receiver.
Good.
La yaqulunna. Oh, so this is the start of the consequence.
Right, because we have a new action and there's no wa between them.
Okay.
So new sentence.
So one thing I noticed, so that we've had a few conditional sentences with that have the
La'in.
la'in, and usually the consequence has a lab emphasis at the start.
Good observation.
So
very astute.
Okay, so would that be like another hint?
That is, yeah.
Okay. La yaqulunna is present active.
Okay.
And then it's because of the u before the noon of emphasis that tells us it used to be una.
Una.
Ya plus una is they.
They. Good.
And then Allah.
Qala is, right, starts a quote.
Oh, right. So the quote, the word Allah is just the quote.
It's a quote, right?
Okay.
So you're asking, and then there's the question, and then this is the answer.
Okay, so the word Allah is just the quote.
Right.
فَأَنَّا يُؤْفَكُونَ. Anna is a question word.
And as a question word, and then?
يُؤْفَكُون is an action. It is present, passive, because of the u'a.
Good.
And they.
Very good. Now let's translate la'in.
So, no.
La
Certainly when, or certainly if.
If. In is if. Sa'alta.
Sa'alta is past, but we're going to translate as present because of in. So if you ask them.
Right. So starting with our doer, and then ask our action, then them, our receiver.
And then quote, who created, who created the skies and the earth.
That's the question. Who created the skies and the earth?
And sakhara is to make subservient. And made the sun and moon subservient.
Good. Still part of our question.
And then that's the end, then question mark, and then end quote. They will definitely say Allah, meaning Allah is the one who created, right?
Right. And then that's the start of our consequence. So they will definitely say
Allah. And then period. فأنا أنا was like
It means same as
how.
kaifa. It means how, but it's like a more exaggerated, shocked form.
So how أفيك يفكوا to delude how. So subdoer is action.
Right.
They are deluded.
They are deluded, and then we'll turn that into a question.
How are they deluded?
Yeah, so how are they deluded? And then this is a shocked question.
So extra question marks.
And some exclamation marks there. Okay, number 6. قال لئن اتخذت إلها غيري لأجعلنك من المسجونين.
Okay, so قال is past active action.
Okay.
He.
Good.
And then quote starts at لئن. And then لئن is lam of emphasis and then conditional in.
Right, just like we saw before.
اتخذت is past active, you.
Good.
إلها is not related to غير because it is غير is TLDR, غيري is TLDR and it's noun. And then لأجعلنك starts our consequence.
Right, because a new action plus we have the la there, that hint you observed.
And then إلها would be receiver because of the unlabeled.
Unlabeled.
And then غيري is TLDR. لأجعلنك, so before the noon of emphasis we have a fatha.
Okay.
That tells us it used to be u.
U plus.
Hamza plus u is I.
Good.
And then ka is pronoun attached to an action, so it is receiver. Min al masjunin is TLDR and it's noun.
Good. Let's translate. قال.
He said, certainly if, starting quote, certainly if, and then اتخذت, even though it's past, we're going to translate as present because of in. Certainly if you take
Good.
a god or a deity, غير, it was other than me.
Right. Other than me.
Comma, start of our consequence. I will definitely make you from the prisoners.
Right.
Prisoners.
From the prisoners.
Like, I'll imprison you.
Yeah, that's a more natural way to say it. I'll definitely imprison you.
Okay.
And last one.
Alright, so فَوَرَبِّكَ, oh, that's just an expression, so
right.
Label it. Okay, لَنَسْأَلَنَّ is present active.
Okay.
The fatha before the noon tells us that it used to be a u. So noun plus u is we.
Good.
Hum is pronoun attached to an action, so it's receiver.
Receiver.
Ajma'in, another receiver because of Ina. Amma
is just another set thing.
Okay. Kanu is past active.
Okay.
They. Oh, and this is back-to-back action.
Good. I haven't seen that in a while.
No. So Kanu is past, and then Ya'maluna is present active. They.
Present
and so
active.
Kana plus present tense was used to, right?
Good. Used to. Okay, let's translate the whole thing.
By your Lord.
Good.
Like, is it like I swear by?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, by God. Okay,
by
by
God.
your Lord. And
we will definitely ask
right.
all of them.
Right. Definitely ask
them all.
Them all. Yeah.
About what?
This is an example of a
sentence continuing across ayah.
Yep. About what? And then we said kana plus
present is used to.
Yeah. So
about what they used to do.
Good. What they used to do.